Hi there, Jamie here, and welcome to Retreat 365 as we transition from spring into the summer. And one of the things when I lived in the UK that I loved about the summer coming up was this anticipation of a lot of fun. Now, as a kid, that was great because I had the freedom, I had less responsibilities, and a lot of time to enjoy the summer and all the fun that the summer brought. But as I grew older, and as you'll all know, when you get jobs, when you get families, when you've got these obligations, enjoying the fun is restricted by our responsibilities, but also by the energy we have. So Retreat 365 for this season is all about finding the energy and finding the workouts that will fit your schedule so that you can head into summer with energy, vibrancy, and feeling great. We got to do that. Lots more yoga, all the live classes, the teachers sharing these great live sessions, the community coming together. We've had some real fun. I mean, who managed to join Charlotte for the Easter yoga class will understand that it can be great fun. Also, a few new things that we'll be sharing. Myself and Joe will be sharing some reformer Pilates workouts for anyone who has apparatus and equipment at home. We've got some fantastic yoga of all lengths, but particularly focusing on the classes that are if you only have 30 minutes. Charlotte's bringing a series of those 20-minute sessions that you can do individually, or you can block them together and make a longer, more luxurious, indulgent 60-minute workout. Here in Fuerteventura at the retreat, it's a great moment because the crowds have sort of left from the Easter. The heat is starting to come. You can feel the wind shift and that warmth breeze in the air. And you know that you've got those beaches all to yourself before the crowds of August and September arrive. So if you're not doing so already, it could be a great time to come visit us as well. That's what we've got coming up. We're really excited to share it with you. Join us for a live class. Let us know, reach out, tell us what you could use to help you find energy and to help you work out this summer. And we're here to support you through that as always. So come join us. And as ever, we are going to be sending and sharing a little bit of sunshine with every workout and sending it to you wherever you are, whenever you are, so that we can all celebrate movement together in this fantastic well-being community. All right, so thanks for being a member, and we look forward to sharing more with you throughout this season and into the summer and beyond. All right, take care.